What's up, everybody? Chad here with some more stuff. This happens to be an unboxing week, and I have something that's super cool, super fun. Many people don't know about it, which is surprising. And if you do know about it, you're pretty rad. I'm going to show it to you right now. I think if you can guess the theme. Oh man. Dude, this thing is huge. This is, holy moly. All right, this thing is a lot bigger than what I thought it was going to be. All right, here it is, friends. The geek inside of me is going, squee! All right. Talk about branding. Here it is. Star Wars, Dr. Squatch, 4 specialty or specially crafted soap bars. Disney right there. Let's look at just the whole package in general. Here, look at Star Wars, Squatch logo. On the bottom, here we go. In a galaxy of synthetic detergents filled with harsh chemicals, Dr. Squatch creates a disturbance in your clean routine by bringing new hope to your soap with only the finest ingredients that are sure to bring balance to your shower destiny. This box is just something else. I mean, here. Let's just open it together. Oh. Wait, no, it's not even right. In my head it was sounding right. Okay, so. Soap. All right, so there's Only Hope soap. Oh, my box is a little messed up. See? Oh well. Box stuff like that happens. All right, Wisdom Wash, Dark Side Scrub, and Ruthless Rinse. All right, let's go through the flavors here. Only Hope Soap. Cleanse yourself with a soothing blend of thyme leaf and bentonite clay that will guide you to truly clean skin and refresh your soul even. Ooh. And it actually just looks really cool. Smells like soap. Smells really good. Oh, even at the bottom of it, it has their lightsabers. So Jedi Knight Obi-Wan Kenobi. Okay, let's go to the next one. Wisdom Wash. Obviously, it has Yoda on there. Feel the lotus leaf nourish your skin as the fresh, herbaceous scent calms your mind and clears your thoughts. All right, lotus leaf. Ooh, very earthy. Ooh, that's a refreshing one. That's a start your day one for me. And then also right here, it has Yoda's lightsaber at the bottom right there. Jedi Master Yoda. Did that have it on there? Oh, Jedi Knight. Oh yeah, Jedi Knight, Jedi Master. Then we have Dark Side Scrub. Let this dark, powerful blend take you in its grip with mighty chokeberry. Of course. Exfoliating sand and tempting smoky scent. Ooh, that smells smoky. And then Dark Lord of the Sith. And then also you get his lightsaber. Alright, let's take you out. Give you a... Look how cool that looks. Ooh, that is really smoky. Got some shea butter. I don't know what a chokeberry is, but I like the way they use it because, you know, the whole using the force. Activated charcoal. All right. And then we have Ruthless Rinse. This is Black Sand Heavy Grit. Oh, I didn't even go over the grit. So the two Jedi are Zero Grit, And then the two dark side are heavy grit. So these are for exfoliating, and the other ones are for just general wash. Embrace the exfoliating and rejuvenating powers of black sand and dragon fruit while the spicy, woody aromas consume you. Yep. And then this is a Sith warrior. And of course it has his dual lightsaber. And these are meant to be, I mean, I guess you could keep these as a collector's item. I'm going to actually use them, but I just think it's super cool. Only bummer part is, obviously, the package didn't, but hey, whatever it is, I think this is just a really cool presentation. The box is super nice. And Dr. Squatch always has quality soaps. So, you know what? I think I might use one of these tonight. Which one should I use? I leave it up to you guys. Till then, this is me and some soaps. See ya.